Today we're going to make a green salsa. This salsa is specifically tasty with any type of soup. Let's get started with the ingredients. 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/4 of an onion, 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 10 Serrano peppers. Right here I have a grill that has been preheating in high heat. I'm going to place all of the serrano peppers, the garlic, and the onion on the hot grill and grill them for approximately 5 minutes. During this time, I will be turning the peppers, the onion, and the garlic just to make sure that they don't get burned. Once they are nice and roasted, then I will go ahead and remove them from the hot grill and take them to the blender. Now it's time to put all of the ingredients in the blender. We're going to start with the onion, the garlic, the peppers, the salt, vinegar, water, and black pepper. I'm going to go ahead and blend for approximately a minute or until I reach the desired texture of the salsa. I'm going to pour in this tasty sauce in this beautiful bowl, and as I mentioned before, this sauce is extremely good with any type of soups. It also goes well with a fried egg or as a dipping sauce, and here it is. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.